Hi nieces and nephews, this is your Uncle Bill. Today we're cleaning the study room in preparation for this week's project. I set the timer for 1 hour, so I'm not even going to film this part, but I have it in time lapse. Stay tuned, we have a 1-minute stop action summary at the end. First we have to make sense out of all of this stuff here. These are all of our chargers, extraneous electronics, etc. Our goal is to get a battery charger organizer which fits right onto this tray right here. This is just me separating out ones that need to be cable organized and ones that need to be just plugged into the wall. Looks like we're all set, so it's going to be these 5 chargers here organized, and then we'll have room for more should we need it. Doesn't that look so much better already? What we're doing now is a preliminary cut on this foam here to fit this tray. That should be plenty of room for cable management. Now let's put something underneath. Best when cutting through plastic or whatever to just take your time. Nice easy cut. Let's hope that one goes as smooth. There's 1 cut, 2 cuts, and 3 cuts. There. Not as bad. Not bad. There we go. All right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we go on down through here. Let's see, what do we have? If we go every inch, that wouldn't be too bad, would it? It's about 11 inches. No, actually about 12 inches. Perfect. So let's go to 6, which will be the middle. There's 1 cut, 2 cuts, 3 cuts. We'll do 7 total. 1, 1, 2, 3. Right? I think that's right. If it's not, I'll refund the cost of your video. See where my marks are? There's 1 mark. 1 cut. Seven. Oh, was there an 8? I guess there was an 8. Okay. 8. Now we got plenty of cuts there. And get some glue, glue it down. I'm going to cut this in half and pray for the best. Be a lot neater and cleaner to just buy cable management, but this is so much fun and it's recycled materials, doesn't cost very much. I think I paid I don't even know if I paid for that tray. I might have just gotten that for free, but it couldn't have been more than $2. And this packing foam was free. Let's go with the narrow one. That's even better. After everything's opened up, this one's got to go a little bit more. You can't see it because you aren't down here, but let's see if I can. Ding. There you go. That's what it looks like. Now we got some tacky glue here. Got that from the Dollar Tree. This stuff is great stuff. Woo! Doesn't that remind you of a Hostess Twinkie? Not Hostess Twinkie, Hostess Cupcake. There we go. Spread out the glue so that's nice and even. Now we're not going to glue the actual cables in place, but we might put some glue to the Velcro that we attach to them. There we go. I'll come back in about 30 minutes. I put double-sided tape on the bottom of every single one of these battery chargers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. We have them well organized. I also labeled the ones that aren't obvious. I mean, for example, this one's obvious and so is this one. The other ones are not, and they're labeled. I'm going to stick them down, and then I'm going to label these ends too, because these ends need to be kept track of so that I don't have to go, oh, well, this goes to the AA, AAA charger. I want to keep all the chargers up here so that I can have this space over here, which you can't even see, this space for putting batteries, because I have a whole bunch of batteries that need to be stored too. And that'll free up some space on my desk. And code space, we're done. All right, there's 9-volt labeled. Yep, everything's labeled. I'm gonna have everything all set up nice and then come show you more. Here's 5 hours of work in a little more than a minute. First, we have to straighten up the office a little bit, also figure out where we're going to position things. Need to catch up with socials and clean at the same time. Also, let's figure out exactly what we need in presentation-wise. The right center of the screen is what I'm primarily interested in for doing the battery organization, but at the same time, I wanted to get my whole study room clean by the end of the day. Here I am looking like I'm making a bomb. This is the arrangement of the chargers and cables. This really has made a big difference. It turns out I only needed 6 chargers out of the probably 12 that I had, because that's however many different batteries I had. I'm still missing 1 charger because they haven't made it yet. But there they are, mostly all set, ready to go. I was a little disappointed because when I glued them all down, I found out I couldn't move them because I have special super glue double-sided tape. Now here's me putting the room back together, and we're done. Now let's go see what progress I've made. Nice clean surfaces, clean surfaces. Ooh, clean horizontal surfaces. Look at all that battery management there. Isn't that beautiful? I still have a lot of work, a lot of deep cleaning that needs to be done. But at least I have the horizontal off. That's a 10-foot desk, 2 5-footers put together. And let's see how it looks outside. Oh, there's California outside. What fun. Every day this side of the dirt is fun. And this was a fun project. I hope you like it.